Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy Ultimate for the month of January, and this guy is stuffed. I literally cut the tape and it was like boing, it was open, so it's full of stuff. And I saw the sneak peeks of the bag. They are so cute, so I'm definitely keen to see what I got in this box. If you don't know, this particular Ipsy bag is $50 a month. It is a little bit pricey, especially when you get it every single month, but I have to say I'm usually pretty impressed with it. Ipsy overall, I think they do a really good job with their bags and boxes, and yeah, so I'm so excited to get in. Let's not waste too much time, let's just get right into it. Hope you guys like my super bright orange makeup. I use the Norvina volume, is it 3? I think it's volume 3 that's orange, or maybe is it volume 2? I can't remember. The orange one with the butterflies. Okay, let's get into it. Ouch. All right, so speaking of orange, this orange foam, I always reuse the foam when I do giveaways and send them to you guys. So let's see. All right, so we've got our little pamphlet, of course, tells us all the details about the products, but I just kind of want to dive in and then we'll check that as we go. And the bag, oh my god, the bag. So this one, it's not as big as some of the other Ultimate bags, but this one's still pretty spacious. It's a little bit flatter, but you do have a handle going this way so that you can carry it like this. But dying for the white and gray marble, pink on the inside, pink trim, and then there's a really pretty metallic pink handle. It is storming like crazy. House is creaking, the wind's blowing, it's thundering, it's a whole thing. So at any rate, this one is like this, so you've got enough room to put, you know, like a basic full day of makeup, and you have a mesh part up here. I think this bag is so freaking adorable, and this is one style that I'm like, I'm gonna be really greedy with, and I'm gonna be like, I want them all, or maybe 2 of them, but that one is really cute. We're gonna set her back there. Oh, look at this brush. Okay, so the first thing I see is actually a brush, and it matches. Ooh. So this is from Farah Brushes. It has a marble handle, pink bristles, and a gold ferrule. This is actually really pretty. The handle of it feels kind of hollowish, but it kind of makes it lightweight, so which can be nice in a way. I've had Farah brushes in the past that I didn't think too much of, and I was like, oh, they're not the best quality, but this one actually feels really nice, and the bristles feel extremely dense. Like, they're packed in there, it's not shedding away. I'm really impressed with this, and can we just say that this is amazingly gorgeous, and I think that might be rose gold on the handle, and I just can't see colors today. Maybe that's great. It's a 160F face brush. I feel like this is going to be good for buffing in cream products. Like, it's very dense, so this is a beautiful brush, and I think their brushes are pretty affordable too, so I don't think this is going to be like a break the bank type of brush. Yeah, $12, so not bad at all. I would definitely, like, is there more of this look of this brush? Because I will definitely pick up more, but this could be like a limited edition one for the box, I don't know, but it's beautiful. I didn't even tell you guys too, this is called the Clean Slate box, which, you know, marble, slate, you get it. It's really cute. So let's see what we've got next. I think these go together. This is from Yvette. This is the Daily Fresh Squeeze, and it looks like we have 2 varieties. Okay, these are Korean skincare. This is Watery Green Grape, and this one is Soothing Lychee. I love some Korean skincare, and I don't know if these are essence masks or not. This just says Daily Squeeze Mask Sheet. And this one has coconut water, lychee, and it's excellent for skin soothing. This one has Hawaiian coconut water and green grape extract, which are rich in moisture. I'm actually really keen for these. So this is 2 face masks. I'm guessing this is 1 item. $8 for the set, so $4 a mask. That's pretty affordable, especially if they're good quality, and you can put them in the fridge for more refreshment. I don't know why I have to sing certain words. Please forgive me. Yeah, that's pretty much it. These sound pretty great. We're off to a good start. Something else in a packet. I guess this is just a sample product. Essen Herb Tea Tree 90 Toner Pad. What does that mean? They're serum soak cotton pads, do it all. Swipe one on to gently exfoliate, eliminate excess oil, brighten your skin tone, and smooth the look of fine lines and pores. Okay, these sound pretty good. 20 each. I think there's 20 in here. So this is 20 mil. The full size is 80 mil. So this is a quarter of it. The full size goes for $38. So this is about $9.50, $10 worth. So it's not bad for deluxe sample. It's got a lot in there, so I'm kind of interested to try these. This is another Korean skincare brand, so I like them incorporating some Korean brands into this month's box, and I like that this is resealable too, so that you can actually use this for a while. And if you're only using one a day, I mean, they're gonna last you a good long while. I think it's pretty good for a deluxe sample. Let's see what else we got. Oh, I think this is the item I picked. I didn't realize that the look of this was like a theme of the box. And I've actually seen some of their hair products at TJ Maxx. This is from Foxy Bay. And I actually got like a heat protecting spray, so now I can use them together. That's pretty cool. So this is a mini travel curler. Looks like pretty big based on the box. Let's find some info. Where are you? This goes for $49, so it's a pretty good value. Like, this is, you know, what you would pay for the box. I always like to kind of point that out. One item, you know, that's right around the cost of the box, because then you're like, oh, everything else is free, even though, you know, you paid for it. Time to use that PTO. Huh? Oh, I get it. Travel friendly wand was made for life in your carry-on. A quick heat up to 380 degrees. It's a tourmaline coating. It says it emits frizz fighting negative ions, and it's a 19mm barrel. Okay, let's open this guy up. I am curious to see. This is a pretty good size. It's so cute. Oh my god. So it's marble and rose gold. This is so cute. And even though I do have longer hair, I can still see myself using this, especially if I am traveling. Like, this will be great to pack in because it's so compact. It's not really big. I'm trying to go to New York in a few months and maybe do just a carry-on. We're gonna see, but that would be a nice way to do it. And look how compact. It's so nice. So I haven't tried any of their tools before, but it sounds really nice. $49, like I said. It's so pretty for like a tool. Isn't it just the prettiest? I need a hairdryer that matches this now. Even though I have 3 hair dryers right now, I need to stop. But this is so pretty. Something in a tube. This is from Marc Anthony. 100% extra virgin coconut oil and shea butter. This is a leave-in conditioner to detangle and hydrate dry, damaged hair into soft, smooth, healthy looking hair. And it has biotin in it as well. So this is what the tube looks like. This reminds me of like Palmer's cocoa butter. Maybe that's kind of the color of the packaging is reminding me of that a little bit. Okay, so this is just a deluxe sample as well. I forgot that the Ultimate does that. They do full sizes and deluxe samples, but I feel like the full sizes alone are really good. This is 1.69 ounces. I mean, I think this will last me a while, and I'm actually interested to try this. The full size version is 8.4 ounces for $6.99. This one is 1.69. So this is only about 20%, I would say. So this is only a couple dollars worth, you know, realistically, but it's pretty affordable then. So if this is good, I will let you guys know, because it would be a great thing to pick up at a really cheap price. No sulfates, SLS, parabens, or phthalates. So I'm pretty keen to try that out. Hopefully it's not too heavy because my hair is kind of fine, but for a deluxe sample, again, pretty good size. I've still got so much in this box. I just kind of glanced in there while I was grabbing something, and wow, there's still so much. I got something from Sweet Chef. This is weird. So I have not opened this, and this is like torn open. It's kind of weird. But anyway, this is the Beet and Vitamin A Serum Shot for refining pores and smoothing rough skin. This is vegan, cruelty-free, no alcohol, parabens, dyes, or fragrances. So that sounds amazing. That's like a laundry list. This goes for just $20, so it's an affordable serum. This is such a cute bottle, and anybody else like hear Beets and immediately think of Dwight from The Office, because that's me. Yeah, nobody's been in this bottle for sure, because that was tough to open and perfectly clean. Doesn't really smell like anything. It doesn't have fragrance, which I love. Like, I would rather smell, you know, the real ingredients over fragrance any day. Yeah, there's really no scent to it, and it feels very smooth. It's a multivitamin for your face, lightweight jelly infused with beets, sea berry, antioxidant vitamin A. So it's going to minimize your pores and give you glowy, youthful looking skin. And you can mix this with your daily moisturizer. Okay, I'm pretty intrigued. I've never tried anything from Sweet Chef, but I've seen their stuff and it looks pretty interesting. Next we got from, I think it's Fan Eden Breeze body butter. This reminds me of some of the Tarte Sugar Rush packaging. This goes for $19. It says it makes skin silky smooth with a combo of evening primrose, macadamia seed, and olive oils, and you apply it to damp skin when you get out of the shower. I'm gonna go ahead and take a tiny bit. Whew, not a favorite smell for me, because it's kind of like, it smells a little floral to me, which I'm not absolutely loving, but I will probably just give this to my mom or my aunt or somebody. I have too many like lotions, creams, things like that. So if I don't like the smell, I'm just not going to hang on to it, you know. But it's a pretty nice item. It goes for $19, like I said, if I said it. And yeah, that's about it. That's the first product that I've gotten that I'm not like stoked about. So we're doing good. I got something from Ahava. This is the Time to Hydrate Essential Day Moisturizer for Normal to Dry Skin. It says this one is an Ipsy exclusive as well. So I think this may be the only place you can get this. So this one goes for $67. Wow. It says it's got rich dead sea water, vitamin E, B5, amino acids, and gives you soft, dewy skin of your dreams. Okay, I'm interested to try this because I have tried Ahava body products and I really like them. They have a hand cream that I am crazy about, and I have like this giant tube of it too. I think I got in maybe FabFitFun. This isn't as fragrant as their hand cream, which I like because that would have been like a little too fragrant for the face. So this one just smells light. You can still smell it, but it feels amazing. And $67, this is a really nice item to get. It's 2.5 ounces. A lot of moisturizers are only an ounce or 1.7 ounces, so that's a pretty big size as well. I can't believe we still have so much in here. It's crazy. We got the Hey Honey Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey Copper Peel Off Mask. Ooh. So this is what the packaging looks like. So the only thing about this, and I think we had a quick discussion in the comments on one of my other videos about good alcohols and bad alcohols in products. So if you look up, just search alcohol in skincare, you'll come up with a lot of like results, and a lot of alcohols are drying, but there's actually some alcohols that actually make your skin absorb things better, and those are made from, I believe, maybe like fatty acids or something. But as I'm looking at this ingredients list, I am seeing some just plain old alcohol, polyvinyl alcohol, and those are things that are made so that this will dry down, obviously, because it's got to dry completely for you to be able to peel it off. So the only thing about it is it does have some alcohol that I wouldn't prefer to put on my skin. Now, if you see ceteryl, I think it's ceteryl, I don't know exactly how to pronounce these words, but there is a couple alcohols that are totally fine, and you'll actually see high on the ingredients list because it's made to make the product work better. But in this instance, it's just made so that it, you know, you can peel it off. I'm not a big fan of peel off masks, but I know a lot of people love them and, you know, wouldn't mind an item like this. I'm just not the biggest fan of peel off masks in general. I haven't had the best result. I get the best result from, like, you know, my Super Mud and other mud masks, clay masks, you know, regular type of mask, if you will. But this goes for $49. I have used a Hey Honey exfoliator that I really liked, so, you know, I'm kind of interested to try it, but kind of not. It helps with acne, encourages cell growth, decongest pores, and heals damage. So I may give it a try. Like, I obviously know to like make up for that dryness with a lot of moisture, but some people might not know to do that, and it might over dry the skin. So that was a lot of talk about that. Let's move on. Okay, I want to know what the heck happened. What is this? This is so weird. That's the second box. What is that? So this is actually something that I've used an entire bottle of, and I was really skeptical because I am not into like essential oils. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, this is not gonna work. It's like, it's whatever. But this is the This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray, and this one says it will help you fall asleep faster, naturally, and wake up refreshed. Lavender oil is in here, natural fragrances and pure essential oils. It is 99% natural. So I will say, at first, like I said, I was skeptical, but I started spraying this on my pillowcase every night, and I can tell you, I miss it now that I don't have it. So this is what it looks like. It is a little bottle. You do get 2.5 ounces in here. It's a little pricey to me for like what you're doing with it, but after using it for a while and seeing how well it works, I'm totally on board. So this goes for $29, and it actually was on sale. I think it's still on sale on Ulta. I actually ordered one for, I think, 20 bucks. So now I have two, or that one's actually on the way. So I'm really excited to have this again, and I do feel like it makes a difference. Just spritz it on, lay down, and I feel like you fall asleep, definitely fall asleep faster. And I don't know, it's just a more relaxing way to fall asleep. So absolutely love this. Very excited for that. We have an eyeliner. This is the Tarte Sugar Farah Brush Easy on the Eyes Clay Liner. So this is what it looks like in the packaging. This goes for $19. It says, do you like the color payoff of a gel liner but prefer the ease of a pencil? You'll love this clay pencil liner. It says it glides on easily with zero skipping or tugging, totally waterproof and stays put for 16 hours, even in your waterline. I might have to test this out because, like I told you guys in my favorites video, the ColourPop ones stay on for me pretty darn well. As you can see, the little neon in my eyes, but most things don't last in my waterline, so maybe I'll try that. I'm kind of interested to see if it works. And we've got one more item in here. This is definitely something I'll probably save for a giveaway. This is the Balm Cosmetics Meet Matrimony Matte Eyeshadow Palette. It goes for $42. Their stuff is so freaking cute, and I don't know, I may consider keeping this. I do have one in my giveaway drawer from the Balm. It's a different one. I don't know, you guys, even though I'm interested in palettes and sometimes I'm like, yeah, this is so cute, I want to use it. I know me, and a lot of times I'll use it once, maybe twice, and then it goes somewhere and it's never seen again. This one's pretty cute though, and the colors, ooh. Yeah, if I were to keep one, it would probably be this because it's got such nice wearable, like everyday shades. You've got some rich ones here, but you've got really nice everyday kind of nudes in here too. So yeah, that is the palette. I might have to use that. I'm the worst. I'm literally like, I do that. I give like this speech about how I need to be better and I need to not use it. And then I'm like, let me just swatch it. I'm the worst, I know. So at any rate, I have so much stuff in my giveaway drawer right now. It is overflowing and abundant. So I'm just not making any like decisions on products right when I get them. I'm gonna think on it a little bit and we'll see, because I've got so much stuff. What I really want to do is just kind of do consistent giveaways, maybe once a month on Instagram and once a month on YouTube, and just have it kind of keep going for you guys so that you know there's always a chance and there's always something out there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Ipsy unboxing. I can't believe it has taken me 24 minutes to film this, but it was a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna quickly do my fast mental math. Let's see if I can get it right this time. 49 is 98, that's 176.9, that is 176 plus 60, 36. That's 255. So I think 314 and then 12 for the samples is my estimation. Let's see. Yes, indeed, $314, and then if you add in, let's say about $12, $326 of product for $50. I would say that is well worth it. Clearly, I will spend $20 on this alone. So you think $20 for that, and then your curling iron. I mean, I'm super stoked with almost everything in this box. So I think this was a big, successful month of Ipsy Glambag Ultimates. Let me know what you think, and I'm gonna cut this short because I know I can talk for a while. So I hope you guys are doing amazing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! And